In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Xero bank account. First things first, you'll want to make your way over to Xero. This is your gateway to managing your financial information seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Xero account. This is where you can access a wide array of features that Xero offers, all in one convenient spot. Now it's time to find the Accounting tab. You might need to scroll a bit or look around, but it shouldn't be too hard to find. The Accounting tab is your gateway to the financial aspects of your business, and it's where you can access your chart of accounts. To make things easier, you might even find a direct link to this tab in the video description or by following the URL provided in the tutorial material. Once you've clicked on the Accounting tab, the next thing you'll do is click on the chart of accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as a comprehensive list of all the accounts used by your business. It's where you can see everything at a glance and make necessary adjustments, such as deleting an account, which is exactly what we're about to do. At this stage, you should see a list of all your accounts. To delete a bank account, you'll need to find it in this list. Once you've located the account you wish to delete, check the box next to it. This action selects the account, marking it for a specific action, in our case, deletion. Now, with the account selected, your next action is to click on Delete. This step might prompt you to pause for a moment and ensure you're deleting the right account. Keep in mind that deleting an account is permanent upon confirmation, and you want to be absolutely sure it's the correct move for your business. After clicking Delete, a dialog box will likely appear, asking if you're sure about this decision. It's there to ensure you're certain about deleting the account because, as mentioned, this action is irreversible. If you're sure, go ahead and click on OK. With that, you've successfully deleted a bank account in Xero. It's worth noting that this process cleans up your chart of accounts and ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Always make sure to double-check which account you're deleting to avoid any unwanted surprises. Just a few additional tips before we wrap up. Always ensure you have backed up any necessary information before deleting accounts. Sometimes you might need historical data for reference, and once an account is deleted, retrieving that information can be challenging. Deleting bank accounts in Xero is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Whether you're simplifying your account structure or closing a bank account, knowing how to manage your chart of accounts efficiently can make a significant difference. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete a bank account in Xero. Remember, managing your finances effectively is key to running a successful business, and Xero's suite of tools is designed to help you do just that. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. See you next time.